everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely day so far. Today, as you can see from the title down below, I am testing this new mascara. This is the Thrill Seeker mascara from Rimmel and I'm going to be doing a full day wear test. I'm obviously going to be putting it on. I don't have any mascara on today. I will also leave in the description box down below everything else that I'm wearing today, but this mascara has some strong claims and we're going to be testing them out today. So I've got the description up on the Superdrug website. It says, bold volume to thrill, gravity defying length and weightless definition from the UK's #1 makeup brand, Rimmel's new viral Thrill Seeker mascara. Now I question that. How can it be viral? How can, you know, it be this crazy viral product that everybody is raving about when this has only been out a couple of weeks? And I haven't even, at the point of filming, I haven't even seen anybody talk about this, personally. I haven't been searching for it, but I haven't heard anybody talk about this yet. Anyway, this mascara delivers a whipped, creamy formula that's charged with lash-loving panthenol to leave your eyelashes feeling softer, smoother and stronger. Layer up for the lash look you seek. Stay fearlessly clump-free and smudge-proof all day. And if you've seen any of my mascara reviews before, you will know that that last claim is the really important one for me. Being smudge free, not transferring, not flaking off all over my face, that's the big selling point of a mascara for me. If it can stay all day, then I'll probably really like it. I'm okay with having like a thin wispy lash. I'm okay with having a really clumpy volumized lash as long as it lasts all day. So let's just get into it. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's just a standard looking red tube with the silver writing, and that is what the brush looks like. It's just like an hourglass shape, natural, bristled. So let's just apply it and see how we get on. So I like to really wiggle at the base of the lashes and then pull up to get a lot of volume down at the base and then drag all of that product upwards. The texture of the mascara is really nice actually. You know that feeling when you open a new mascara tube and it's almost too wet and you have to leave it for a couple of weeks and then it gets to its best stage. This already feels like it's at that good stage, if that makes sense. It's not too wet. The brush is really grabbing onto the lashes nicely, coating them nicely. So this is what one layer of that mascara is looking like. Don't mind all of the mascara on my eyelid, I will clean that off in a little while, but it's curling them nicely. It's a little bit clumpy, which I don't mind. I quite like a clumpy lash, but for the first application it is a little clumpier than I usually go for. So I'll just do the other eye whilst you're zoomed in. So that is one coat on each side. I will now apply another coat to both sides, see how it builds up. It says that it's buildable and you can just keep on layering it. So I'm interested to see how this is going to build up because I already feel like this is a little bit clumpy in this inner corner. So that's the difference between one coat and two coats. That's definitely built up. That's definitely like a clumpy lash now, which, like I say, I don't mind that. But that's definitely really volumized, really thickened. You can feel like the whipped texture that it's talking about. It's quite a strange sort of feeling. It definitely doesn't feel as liquidy as a normal mascara. You can definitely feel that whipped texture. When you're applying the second coat specifically, you can feel that texture like grabbing onto the lashes and applying more, but in a really thick layer. It doesn't feel heavy, it doesn't feel like a thick layer as if it's dragging down my lashes, but it does feel like it's grabbing onto those lashes really well, and adding a lot of that extra product on, you can physically feel it like grabbing on. It's quite a strange feeling. So that is the 2 layers on both sides. I really like how that looks. I think that that is really dramatic, and that was really easy to build up. I am concerned about the longevity at this stage because of that texture. I am not sure how well this is going to stay, but going to be doing a full day wear test. It is currently 8 o'clock in the morning, so I will check in with you when I get home from work and we will see how this has stacked up. At this stage, I am not hopeful. I don't know why. There's just something about the texture that's making me feel like this isn't going to last very well, but I like how it looks on first application. It obviously looks very dramatic, it looks very black. It was really easy to apply. That texture made it really thickening, but let's see how this looks by the end of the day. Okay, so the time is now 8:28 in the evening. I've had all of this makeup, apart from the lipstick. I did reapply the lipstick. I have had all of this makeup on my face for more than 12 hours. I have been at work all day. I haven't touched anything else up, so you can see how my everyday sort of makeup routine lasts through a full day at work, which is just a side note. But this mascara, okay, I'm going to zoom you in. It's not looking great. All day I have been like picking pieces of black off my face, picking flaked bits of mascara off my face. My husband has been picking little flakes of black off my face, wiping them off from in here. I mean, I've even got one there. It's just flaking off and also smudging under my eyes. I mean, you can see how like hot and sweaty my eyelids get on an everyday basis. All of the products that I had on my eyelids there have all creased, and it is also transferred all up here. But for me, it's all of these marks under the eyes. Normally, mascaras don't do that. The ones that I love, the e.l.f. Big Mood, the Lash Sensational, all things like that, they don't normally go as bad as this. I also feel like they don't, like the products that's left on the lashes, I feel like it's looking like it's very close to just completely coming off anyway. Like it feels really like dry and like it's close to coming off, which it is. That like it looks very dry and crumbly on the lashes, and obviously it is because it's all just coming off onto my cheeks and under my eyes. So it looked nice when first applied, but as I suspected, it hasn't lasted very well all day at all. I will also say I have very sensitive eyes, and my eyes have been feeling especially irritated today, and I can almost feel, especially in this eye, I can almost feel like the bits of the mascara in my eyes, and like a little bit sandy, a little bit just dry and irritated, which isn't a feeling that I normally get. This is quite unpleasant to have on my eyes, which is a shame because like it should, like the claims of it should be good. It should be better than this, but I'm just not very impressed. It is one that I will carry on using. I think perhaps if the sort of skin around the eyes and such things weren't as sweaty as they have been today. It is a very hot day. We're in the middle of a heat wave, so I really have been putting this mascara through the ringer today, but I know that other mascaras don't look as bad as this by the end of the day. So for me, the Thrill Seeker mascara is a no. I will revisit it when it's not so hot and see if it lasts a little bit better when it's not so hot and sweaty, but it's one that I will use up. I just won't wear it when I need my makeup to be flawless all day. So it's a shame that, you know, I spent my money on this, but if you need something to be really long lasting, I would recommend something else. This isn't a great one for me. And I feel like I'm not that picky with mascaras. I just don't want them to smudge. I just want them to look good at the end of the day. I don't want to have to worry about it. But this one has been irritating me all day, pretty much, so that's a shame. If you have any recommendations of mascaras that last really, really well all day, that don't flake, don't smudge, let me know what your favourites are. Mine, I would have to go with the e.l.f. Big Mood. All-time favourite mascara. I only tried it out fairly recently, in the last like 6 months, I think. Yeah, it must have been around about that, and it has quickly become my all-time favourite. It is just, it's such a good mascara. I really, really love it. But let me know what your recommendations are. I am always on the lookout for new mascaras, but I hope you found this useful, and until next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye!